And I thought it might be fun in this section to show you everything that I got on Prime Day. So let me get my big box out here and see what we bought here. I didn't get all that much stuff, as you can see, but I did get a few things. The first item is this. I got a UPS. This was the only UPS on sale. I'm going to move the box out of the way here for a second. This was the only UPS on sale this week. It was $62, normally $80, and I needed this for my home theater upstairs. Remember, we talked about this last week on the wrap-up, and I needed to get one. I also wanted to get one that can regulate surges and voltage spikes and everything, so I think this one, although inexpensive, should be good enough because I really don't need to keep the home theater on when the power goes out. I really just want to protect all the components there, and it's got looks like 6 surge protected and battery protected outlets, which should be enough for everything I want to protect up there. So this again was $61.95, normally $80. It's a CyberPower device. Now if you have daughters like I do, you've probably encountered these before. LOL surprise pets. My daughter loves these things, so every once in a while we give her one for good behavior and that kind of stuff. And these are normally $20 for the pair. This was $14 for the pair, so a couple bucks saved on something that we normally have around the house here. I got my wife the 23andMe Health and Ancestry Kit. This was going for $99. Typically this is about $200. I bought the kit last year because it was kind of fun to see what it came up with. It confirmed a few family rumors that we had, which was kind of neat because we had heard some things, but we weren't sure if they were true, and the test actually confirmed that. And my wife has a much more diverse background genetically than I have, so I'm really eager to see what she comes up with on this test. So we're going to have her start spitting into that pretty soon. Not a big deal here, but we always need power strips here on the channel, so I got a pair of these things. This is these Belkin things, $8.79 for the pair versus normally $11. Not great, but it was there, and I grabbed it. Probably one of the few impulse buys that I had. The other thing that I was looking to get for some of the things that we do here is another action camera. I have a Sony action camera that's about 4 or 5 years old, and the quality of the video is starting to look dated in the sense that, you know, the camera was good for the time it came out, but it wasn't so great compared to what I've been using in other shots here on the channel. So they had these GoPro session cameras. This is the all-inclusive thing that includes the waterproof housing as part of the unit. And this was $99, and it also came with an Amazon branded head strap mount. It looks like it might be a refurb because it's coming in a brown box versus their usual packaging, and this is certainly not the newer version of the camera that has image stabilization and everything, but it's good enough for what I need a camera for. Because I am often, sometimes, using an action camera for shots here or there, and I just wanted something better. The only thing that I'm noticing now with it is that I forgot this doesn't have a HDMI port on it, because one of the things that I wanted to do is maybe mount it to the ceiling here and just get a straight down shot for certain things, and this one won't be able to do that, so now it looks like I might end up buying another one at some point, but right now it's fine for now. $100 was a good deal, I thought, for that. Again, try not to do too many impulse buys. I picked up a couple of movies. I got Dunkirk and Blade Runner. These are 2 movies I was looking to buy on 4K Blu-ray, and the price was right. $14.99 a piece versus normally $25 each. They had a few, a selection of movies, not a lot, but enough that I was able to find 2 things that interested me there. So saving $20 on some movies was good. And then, this was the last thing that I got. I am always taking apart computers here on the channel, and sometimes I'm missing that one screwdriver that I need. So this was on sale during Prime Day. It was, let's see, what did this one cost? This was $12.59. It's about $12.60. And this has all the different bits that I've been encountering on all these laptops that we take apart. And it's got some other tools, like a little plastic thing to separate the portions of the computer that are stuck together. It's got some other tools in here as well. Haven't yet taken it out of the box yet, but I am looking forward to taking computers apart now with all the right tools. And you can see, let's see if I can get a good shot in here of all the things that it comes with here. This is normally, again, $18.99, so I saved some money on that. And I'll put a link to this down below. Not a great toolkit, but it's got everything I need. I'm not typically repairing electronics here, so I don't need the best of the best, but good deal for that. And that was all I got from Prime Day. Not a lot of stuff. I try not to go out and just buy things just because they're on sale. I wanted to get stuff that had some kind of use or something that I was looking for. So let me know, though, what you got for Prime Day down in the comments below.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Bill Reiner, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to Lon.TV/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit Lon.TV/s.